Starting an LLC in Pennsylvania is a smart move if you want to protect your personal assets and give your business a strong foundation. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to set it up. The first step is choosing a name for your LLC. Your business name must be unique and not already in use by another company in Pennsylvania. You can check availability through the Pennsylvania Department of State's business search tool. Don't forget to include LLC or limited liability company at the end of your name. Next, you'll need to file a certificate of organization, which is the official form that creates your LLC. You can file it online through the Pennsylvania Business One-Stop Shop or by mail. The filing fee is $125. After that, Pennsylvania requires you to submit a docketing statement when you file your certificate of organization. This form provides basic details about your business, like your tax ID and contact information. It's also a good idea to create an operating agreement. While Pennsylvania doesn't require one, it helps outline how your LLC will run, who owns what, and how decisions will be made. Then, apply for an EIN from the IRS. It's free and quick to get online, and you'll need it for taxes, banking, and hiring employees. Finally, Pennsylvania requires decennial reports, which are filed every 10 years to confirm your business information. And that's it. If this guide helped you understand how to start an LLC in Pennsylvania, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more straightforward business tips.